Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can redeem your gift cards on the Just Eat delivery service app, which is based in the UK. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my mobile phone on the browser and I searched for Just Eat. A disclaimer before I continue, from what I know and from what I found out, you cannot do this via the application for the mobile phone. Trust me, I tried. So just stick to the browser version of this and you'll be good. But yeah, Google that in. As you can see, redeem a gift card is already in my history. However, it won't be for you if you just first time search this. When you do, just click on Just Eat, just enter the site, and make sure you're entering with your browser, not the application. And once you're in, you'll probably have a login screen, and when you log in, you'll be met with this. If you don't, by clicking on these three lines, here where you see my account, you'll see a login option, and then you'll be taken to this screen. But when you log in, enter this screen, and again, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left. Here where you see my account, when you log in, you'll see your account as well, of course. And of the options below it, as you can see, one of them is to redeem a gift card. And if you click on that, you will be taken to this screen where you have your balance and you have a field to enter any account credit codes or gift card codes. And once you redeem them, they will be yours. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.